Today we're going to be running a simple vacuum test to see if your chamber has any leaks. I am out in our shop, so this specific machine does have its panels off. You do not need to have your panels off for this. So we're just going to make sure your pump is plugged into the back of your machine. And depending on which pump you have a on button right here. We're going to make sure that is turned on, plugged into the back of your machine. And then you're going to turn your machine itself on. This is going to let your machine determine when that pump turns on. To start off, we're going to make sure that there is a ring around the entire perimeter here on this gasket. That will show us we don't need to do a door adjustment. We are going to make sure our drain valve here is turned at a 90-degree angle so it is closed. We're also going to make sure our shelving unit is removed and our gasket is seated onto the machine nice and flat. We don't want to pull that gasket forwards at all. So when it's sealed up, we're looking for our ring. We're now going to access our functional testing, top leaf on the top left-hand corner. We're going to locate our vacuum toggle. From here, we're going to toggle our vacuum on. It might take a second to click over. So now that our vacuum is on, it's going to boot up in the back, and we're going to notice this seal on your gasket is going to be thicker. It is going to take a minute or two for the mTORs to pull down, but in anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes, we should be looking for our mTOR pressure to be 500 mTOR or below. And that shows that we don't have any chamber leaks. At this point, even just 30 seconds in, we've got a nice thick seal. So if we open up this door, we should not be able to open up this door even at such a high vacuum pressure. So we're just gonna make sure that's closed, and we're just going to confirm in 15-20 minutes our pressure has gone to 500 or below. Our new software does allow this machine to run anywhere from that 500 to that 1000 mTOR range. So this is just going to determine what we're looking at when it comes to a vacuum error on this machine.